Introducing the RCO-3000-RPL Series, C&T's latest x86 super rugged industrial computer. It leverages a powerful 13th Gen Intel Core TE processor to streamline edge AI workloads and is paired with DDR5 RAM for real-time data aggregation. On board the RCO-3000-RPL Series is plentiful IoT-centric connectivity. It features both high-speed LAN and USB for vision cameras and COM ports for legacy machinery. For low-latency wireless communications and networking, this small form-factor computer can support Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth, 4G LTE, and industrial 5G. It delivers up to 4K displays for high-resolution data visualization and clarity across various deployments. A key defining feature of the RCO-3000-RPL is support for modular EDGEBoost I/O technology. Mix and match specific EDGEBoost I/O modules to seamlessly meet high-spec connectivity requirements. Additionally, it features multiple storage options with 2 SATA SSD bays, with one being hot swappable for convenient data offloading and dual M.2 slots for edge AI accelerators, SATA, and NVMe storage. The RCO-3000-RPL is automation and mobile IoT ready with curated I/O connectivity features. The RCO-3000-RPL is engineered super rugged with a fanless and cableless design. It has wide operating temperatures, shock and vibration resistance, wide power input, and power protection to withstand the most challenging deployments. To reinforce these features, the RCO-3000-RPL has been tested and validated to achieve world-class safety certifications. This series of industrial computers have successfully been deployed in various Industry 4.0 applications. The RCO-3000-RPL series strikes a balance in edge performance, IoT connectivity, and EDGEBoost scalability, all within a small form factor. To learn more about the RCO-3000-RPL, visit our website or get in touch with a rugged edge expert.